In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract General Ledger in QuickBooks Online. If you need to download your General Ledger for review, sharing, or record keeping. QuickBooks Online makes the process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the report and how to export it in the format that works best for you. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and look over to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Reports. This is where QuickBooks stores all of its financial and accounting reports, including standard reports that are commonly used for bookkeeping and reconciliation. Once you're in the Reports section, go to Standard Reports. If you don't immediately see the report you need, use the search bar to make things faster and easier. Type in General Ledger, and when the report appears in the search results, click on it to open the report. After the General Ledger report loads, take a moment to confirm that you're viewing the correct report. This report typically shows detailed transaction activity by account, which is why it's often used when you need a full accounting trail. If you're preparing information for an accountant, internal review, or documentation purposes, this is usually the report you'll want. Now look to the top right area of the report screen. You should see a print icon, and right next to it, there will be an export icon. Click on the export icon to open the export options. From there, select the format you want to use for exporting your General Ledger. Choose whichever option works best for your needs, whether you want a file that's easier to print, save, or work with outside of QuickBooks. Once you select the export option, QuickBooks will begin generating the file for you. After the export is complete, save the file in a location on your computer where you can easily find it later. It's also a good idea to rename the file clearly, especially if you export reports regularly. Using a consistent naming format can help you stay organized and avoid confusion when you need to reference the report in the future. And that's it. That's how to extract the General Ledger in QuickBooks Online. As a quick final tip, always double-check that you opened the correct report before exporting, especially if you search for it by name. A quick review can save time and help make sure you're sharing or saving exactly what you need.